Welcome to Garden Portraits. Today we turn our lens toward a true porcelain treasure of the early spring, Puschkinia scilloides, or the striped squill. Named after the botanist Apollo Musin Pushkin, this resilient bulb originates from the rocky slopes of the Caucasus. As the garden wakes, these blossoms emerge with quiet confidence, offering a sophisticated alternative to more common spring bulbs. Look closer at these exquisite milky-white petals. Each one is adorned with a delicate azure stripe, a masterpiece of natural geometry. Puschkinia thrives in well-drained soil and gentle spring sunshine, particularly under deciduous trees. To create this ethereal carpet, plant your bulbs in autumn about 7 centimetres deep. For the most natural effect, plant them in generous, informal drifts rather than rigid rows. Maintenance is beautifully minimal. Simply allow the foliage to wither naturally. This ensures the bulb stores enough energy for another magnificent display next spring. They will slowly naturalise, spreading their striped elegance year after year. Thank you for joining this botanical journey. For a silent, meditative version, visit my sister channel, The Beautiful Garden. Until next time, happy gardening.